In this video, I will show you how to set up prepayment on booking.com. So in order to do that, what we can do is we just need to head over and log in first into our admin.booking.com. And then from in there, let's head over to our properties and then head over to the settings. So you can head over and click on your property first. And once you have clicked on your properties, you can head over and then select the policy from the list. Click onto the property and click onto the policies option. Now, once you have done that, you can just head over and see the prepayment settings. So we have the pre-authorization, and we also have modification. We also have children and extra bed and other policies as well. So for this one, you can head over and choose in here this guest payment options, and also information for the guests to and other risk-free reservations and the like. So you can head over and click onto the change option that's happened in here, then change some things that has been added. You can also head over and then change up the policy exception, grace period, and the likes.